How's it going, YouTube? Got the HPI Savage Wheelie bar. It's the part number. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. First, let's see what it come with. Oh, it's one of those, huh? So it's the Wheelie bar. Big wheel, small wheel. And then we got the hardware. And instructions. Alright, let me go ahead and install this. Alright, so the hardware open. I'm going with the little wheel. So basically, this is gonna go like that. Well, over here. So y'all see that wheel go there. Alright, two of them, some spares, and we gotta use these to lock the bottom in. So y'all see when it's done. Alright, remember these pieces? So you look here, you'll see that this goes up, and this is gonna go over it with a bolt and a nut. Alright, the bolt's in there. We'll push this piece up over here. Put the screw in. Alright, now a quick lesson. So, see how you don't want to be forcing that in? You want it to hook in there. Bam, like that. That way, you can fit your piece up there and get your nut in the hole at. Alright, last but not least, put the screw and nut in the wheelie bar. Definitely need a new body. That's coming next. Put that wheelie bar in there. Make it stand up now. Oh yeah. I also want to, this is a sock on the engine. Keep it warm. When I'm running it. No, it's cold. But I went ahead and got this. I ain't have this engine bracket before. That's how I scraped up this head. But whatever. Anyway. See if we get a run in on it.
win, guys. That was just a quick run with the HPI Savage. Want to see how that Wheelie bar hold up. So far so good. I'm liking that little wheel. Bring the car back a little bit more. But I'm gonna go ahead and get a new clutch bell. I do need a new clutch bell. Let me go ahead and show y'all what happened. Then go ahead and shred that one right off. Okay, I see that. But that ain't nothing. Still was a good run. I'm gonna go ahead and get one. I think that's a 17 tooth clutch bell. I want to get like probably 18. See how we go from there. It got some speed, I ain't gonna lie. It's real good. I want to set it up a little bit more stable. But other than that, she's good to go. Hope y'all enjoy. And show y'all, I was running a sock on there in case y'all ask why. You know, it's kind of nice today, but the sock keep this where I need it to be in a degree wise. So, you know, if it's too cold out, the sock is on there to keep the car warm. I don't know. Hopefully y'all understand that. Maybe the Nitro heads will. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate y'all.